If there is one product from the Minimalist that you should try, it is the Alpha Butane, according to me, if you have dark spots. Hello to all the wonderful humans. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well and welcome. I am Aboli and I make science-based skincare and hair care videos. If you are interested in that space, and if you are passionate about skincare like I am, then consider subscribing to my channel. So today's video is going to be a long-term review of this product from the Minimalist. It is their 2% Alpha Butane. I have been using this religiously for 2 months now. For 1 month I used it both in the morning and at night, and for the 2 months I'm using it every single day at night. And let me tell you, this is a wonder product for me, and if you want to know more about this product, then stay tuned. So this is my 2-month journey with Alpha Butane. Graphic acne images coming up, so be ready. So I started the application on 15th of October, and because my flare up was really bad, it took really long time for the pimples to go down, and approximately from 25th October I started seeing that inflammation has gone down, the dark spots are reducing, and from 5th, after I used the peel, everything was very dramatic. And as you can see here, from like mid of December I started getting really nice glowy skin, and also the dark spots reduced drastically, as you can see here. Now let's see what Alpha Butane actually is. Now Alpha Butane is a safer alternative of hydroquinone. We know hydroquinone can be a bit tricky to use. Now let's see how Alpha Butane works on our skin. Before that, I would like to discuss the pathway that our skin takes to produce melanin. So the process of hyperpigmentation, essentially, these are melanocytes. These are small cells that are found in the epidermis, and in these small melanocytes we find melanosomes and tyrosinase enzyme. Melanosomes, as you can see, go from stages 1, 2, 3, 4, and they mature. This maturation is helped by tyrosinase, which is a bioindicator which gives indications to melanosomes to biosynthesize the pigment melanin, which is then transported out of melanocyte into keratinocytes. Now here you can see Alpha Butane acts in 2 ways. It completely inhibits the tyrosinase enzyme, and by doing that it actually inhibits the maturation of melanosomes, and if the melanosomes don't mature, we do not get any melanin pigment. So this is how Alpha Butane works to reduce hyperpigmentation. But what happens if we stop using Alpha Butane completely? If we stop using Alpha Butane completely, tyrosinase enzyme will be released and you will get the normal processes back, and melanin will start producing again. This is a really light serum, right? As you can see, it's really light. Gets absorbed in your skin very quickly, very lightweight, and it's very hydrating too. Like, you do not have to use any hydrator. If you use this serum, you can directly move on to your emollient. Now you have to understand that this reduces melanin production in your skin, and we know melanin is there for a reason. It protects us against the sun. So if you are going to reduce the melanin of your skin, you need to protect your face. Now how will you do that? With your beloved sunscreen. So if you are using Alpha Butane, do not forget to use a good quality sunscreen, SPF 50, broad spectrum protection, and reapplication in every 2 to 3 hours, whatever is convenient for you. Now there are many studies that suggest that Alpha Butane works on photo damage, on the sunspots that you get, on melasma, on post-inflammation hyperpigmentation. Let's come to the direction of use. When should you use it? Who can use it? Alpha Butane should be used by people who are in their 20s, preferably from 25. Teenagers cannot use this product. Even if you are someone who's between 20 to 25, then I would suggest talk to a doctor first, because many people, even the clinical studies that I saw, were on people more than 25. Now let's come to what time of day. As I've said, you can use it both in the morning and in the evening, but in the morning you have to put your sunscreen. Okay, now I would like to add that some people did experience a bit of purging with this product. I, however, did not get any purging with alpha-arbutin, but some people definitely did. So be aware of that purging can definitely happen with this product. Now let's see what to mix and what not to mix with arbutin. You can mix it with vitamin C, niacinamide, kojic, azelaic, lactic, all of these. You can also mix it with retinol. I do not recommend it, but there won't be any adverse reactions. I would advise against using alpha-arbutin after any peeling solutions. Again, there isn't any study which says that you can't use alpha-arbutin with AHA, BHA. It's just because I want your skin to breathe and to stay safe. Now let's come to the ingredient list of the Minimalist alpha-arbutin. If you can see, it is aloe vera juice is the base of the product, which works good for me. Then is dimethyl isosorbide, again a hydrator and a delivery agent. Then is our active, the alpha-arbutin, which is 2%. Then propanediol is again a hydrator and an emollient. Ethoxydiglycol is again a delivery agent and also gives the viscosity. Then sodium hyaluronate, because it has 1% HA. Phenoxyethanol is the preservative here. And that's it with the ingredient list. A really good simple ingredient list gives you exactly what is written on the label. I love such a skincare product, and I would definitely recommend this product, and I would definitely repurchase it. However, right now it's been 2 months, and now I am going to wean off from alpha-arbutin, because I think at this point my skin has recovered pretty well. So I have stopped using it in the morning, as I've said, and even the night. Now I am using it every alternate days. From that I'm going to go to 2 to 3 weeks, and from that just once a week, and slowly just stop using the product. Now you don't have to wean off alpha-arbutin in this way, but I don't want to shock my skin suddenly, so I am going slowly. I would like to say that in the 2 months that I was using the alpha-arbutin, I did use the Minimalist peel once. Now this absolutely helped with the inflammation, and when inflammation goes down, the healing is faster. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, then consider clicking the like button. If you like my content in general, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Recently you guys have been showing me so much love. Thank you so much. Also, I love talking to you guys in my comment section, on my DM on my Instagram. I just have one small request. If you guys are DMing me on my Instagram, please write the whole conversation that you want to have with me on the Instagram. Just don't say hi and leave, because I have to think about my security as well. I mean, I am getting into the public space, but we need to keep the creepy crawlers out. So I would suggest write the whole thing, and so that I know that I am talking to a real person and a person whom I should talk to. So that's it. Until next time. Bye.